Hacienda de los Santos. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Hacienda de los Santos. This beautiful hotel is located in a restored hacienda in Alamos and features an on-site cinema, free Wi-Fi and spa services. Hacienda de los Santos is decorated with historic artifacts and offers a pool. Each rustic room at this property comes with a fireplace, a nightstand and a private bathroom with a shower and toilet. Some rooms feature a working desk. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.